The other day, I logged into my abandoned Pinterest account just to realize that I have generated over tens of thousands of views over the last months without really touching the page. And I found out a way to automate this content creation using ChatGPT and Canva. Today, I will show you how I created a custom ChatGPT bot to automate content and copy paste the content to my favorite Canva template. So let's get into the video. First things first, you have to go into your Pinterest analytics and you have to see which type of content actually gives you the most eyeballs. So in my case was journaling prompts, but not any type of journaling prompts. It was very specific to mental health. Using my GPT bot, all I had to do was put in as many mental health problems or health issues that I know of, like anxiety, ADD, ADHD, and create questions around those. I took those questions and I put it into my Canva template and generated content like so. For those of you who are extremely new to this and you don't feel comfortable, let me just show you on my screen share how I got this done. In case you are in a different niche than me. When you're creating a ChatGPT bot, for example, you can create content that is not a question, but maybe an article or a paragraph or a quote. In that case, you could get science if you are in a tech niche or some sort of medical niche that requires a lot of information. I would actually download a lot of research case studies that are related to your case. For example, ketogenic diet. So if you're really serious about it, which I think you are, then download keto related PDFs and attach it to your GPT bot. But that's really just a side note. I will show you guys how to set up your first ChatGPT prompt, and it's super simple. Okay, now we are here inside ChatGPT, and what you have to do is, first of all, you have to have your prompt ready. This is a very simple prompt, and I asked ChatGPT to come up with it. Before I decided on this one, I have tested out in a few conversations just like this. So I'm going to test it out in front of you guys to see how it works. So let's say I'm going to just put in a topic and boom, this is exactly the thing I want to do, but I want to do it on autopilot, right? And as you advance, you can make it even more fun, more detailed. So here's how you set up a GPT prompt. First of all, you go on to here, you go to my GPTs and you create the GPT. You click on configure. This is going to be my journaling prompt generator. So this is just like a general description, and you're going to copy paste the instructions over here. And the conversation starter is very useful here because whoever you share this with, they know what to do. Give me a topic and I will make you think. This is like a good instruction I thought in my head, but you can make it more specific, saying like, give me a topic and I will share 5 journaling prompts. And this is pretty much like a basic way to set up a GPT bot, but I will scroll down and explain the knowledge part here. The difference between an actual GPT prompt and a GPT bot is that you can upload certain examples, research studies, any type of PDF so that the bot can use it as its brain. In this case, I could maybe upload a lot of examples of journaling prompts. You got journaling prompts? Journaling prompts. I'm not sure if I have this CSV anymore, but here you could actually have like a PDF or any type of file. So the GPT can reference these as an example. And here I'm going to give it a topic. So in this case, it's going to be Pinterest again, and just see if the bot works. So here are 5 reflecting journaling questions on the topic of Pinterest. So these will be the ones that I will show you in step number 2, how to put it into Canva. But first, let's click on create. Now you created a prompt. You can either save it to be a private prompt, or you can actually put it on a GPT store. I haven't tried that out. I like to use my bots for private use, or if you have like a smaller team or you want to share with your friends and family, you can just put it like anyone with the link can edit, and you can click on save. So what you will do in the prompt is you will share one keyword that is relevant to your niche, and it will pop out all the written content that you will have to copy and paste into your chosen Canva template, just like this. So make sure that you keep your branding consistent and you experiment with different colors. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how I copy pasted mine, just like this. One rule of thumb, I always make sure that my fonts are readable because obviously I want people to pin and share my content. So here's how you do it. Okay, now that you have followed all this tutorial, happy uploading. So if you like to know the best practices, how to upload to Pinterest, make sure you check out this video over here. and follow my instructions about Pinterest SEO and some of the basic designs that thankfully got a lot of views. So thank you so much for supporting that. I hope this helped you guys to set up your first ever ChatGPT bot and it helped your Pinterest content creation. Let me know in the comments below what other Pinterest stuff or what other Pinterest topics you would like to hear, and I will try to run an experiment and share with you guys my results. My name is Annie, and I'm a digital marketer, and I'm on my mission to become a great chief marketing officer one day, which is why I created the podcast, The Aspiring CMO, where I sit down and talk to successful entrepreneurs and chief marketing officers to find out how they got where they are today. Thank you so much for staying this far into the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!